Hey, iScreemers, it's Lime's back, the humblest of all your servants. Happy Wednesday, happy hump day. Remember my boy Poltergeist OD gave us the Phantasm rap? I don't think there's a more unique talent out there in the horror community right now. So I'm happy tonight to kind of give you that little energy boost to get you through the halfway point of the week and get you towards the weekend. A little bit more Poltergeist OD here with a tribute to Mars Attacks. Check it out.
As the world stands hands over hearts and guests, I can't laugh cause the saucer's parked out back. There's no starter pack when Martians rap will stick it hard in your ass like carbon tax. I'll paint your grandma's house red, that's artifact. No cardiac act when Mars attacks. Something occurred which seldom was heard. Sobered up to a sign and said, welcome nerd. Flipping out like my mama hasn't held me since birth. Felt like a curse was lifted, I lifted hell from the dirt. So I'm just going for it like I'm Corey Feldman, cause I couldn't afford to do a horror score with Danny Elfman. But I dropped heads off Nas Pierce, Brosnan, I chopped it clear off. Think I'm weird? Stop it, these bitches fraud. I got two broads, Sarah Jessica Parker, you dog. I won't be hanging around for too long. I don't wanna remain in the ground for too long. We come in peace. Y'all leaving pieces, y'all looking at me like I even need some reasons here. Fuck the world. You caught me red-handed, damn it. No wonder they call it the red plan, and I ran it. No need to backtrack. You playing blackjack with your life like Jack Black. Hit him with another rack. Y'all don't be stacking presidents for Jack. Promise you won't even get a single nickel, son. I'ma reap what you simpletons sow when the sickle's done. This is some awful experiment. They're aware of it. Why you think the eye is at the top of the pyramid? Bitch, I'm here to incinerate, here to disintegrate, eradicate your planet's race. And I'ma make sure you feel the bite like Eradicate. That was corny as fuck, but this whole track is, and I don't give a fucking act. Yeah, fuck the world until the other ends. Hurting the band, certain the band, cutting it up like Tim. Burning your friends, burning your limbs, spurting your bitch, squirting them so extraterrestrial. I am working with my fingers all up in her fishbowl, giving me the international symbol for donut. Hold up, that's too much info. I'm in so deep, I'm too OD. Other dimension is still men obscene. I still hit up scenes, drunk and kill the beats. I just gotta take the rest of the earth with me. I'm clocking 100, you barely burn. 50 simply a word sets me off, it's absurd. Really, I saw a bird and I shot it. So off of my rocker, I'll probably take off in a rocket, stop off in a comet and knock it off if it's fucking objective and send it back with a letter attached saying hack or something like that. Okay.
You gotta love this guy. You gotta love him. And if you don't love him, there's something seriously wrong with your phonometer. Because damn, these raps are so cool. And he tells me he's got a Norman Bates one in the works, dedicated to Psycho. I am so looking forward to that. Can't wait. Poltergeist is going to be on tour this year. As soon as he's dropping these dates and he lets me know, I'm going to let you know, all right? That's going to be on my radar of things to do for the iScreemers out there, okay? Well, that's about it. Be back Friday night for more Friday Night Frights. Remember, if you got something really exciting happening, like if you're doing, something musically, something horror artistically, if you're creating a short movie, whatever, tell me. I want to hear about it, all right? I want to hear from you, all right? Peace out.